main focus is to trigger the social and emotional association. Just see the chat box. Okay, trying to connect people emotionally, yes, always. And they know it's all about the family theme. It's all about the culture when it comes to India, social bonding. So yeah, so always you will see, you know, that's all about the Amul. And just wanted to ask you, does a brand align with the culture, values, and social norms? Amul, to yes, specifically, and they build around the authentic communities. Always the influencers transparent and trustworthy, social proof, or is genuine or is artificially created. That is important to understand. The genuineness is always created when it comes to Amul. So I would like to, you know, try to sum up everything, whatever we did. We till now we have gone through many concepts like social proof to cultural traditional, reference group, opinion leaders, family dynamics, digital communities, influencers. So understanding all these factors help the marketers design more effectively and meaningful strategy. If there is one key realization I want to tell you from today's seminar, that the consumer rarely make the decision in isolation. We are constantly influenced by the social world around us. Sometimes the influence is obvious, sometimes it is subtle, sometimes it is, but is always present. So that's I want to tell you further. Also, you know you need to ask yourself, did I choose this because why you truly wanted that product, or because someone else influenced me to want it? So that's always important question you should ask to yourself. And just wanted to know here in audience, what do you think in what do you think the influence your purchase decision the most? Friends, influencers, family, online reviews? It can be combination of everything, right? Sometimes some friends, sometimes family, sometimes all online reviews, sometimes influencers. So it can be anything. I would like to just wind up by saying few important things from today's seminar, that social system refer to structure pattern of relationship, institution, roles, norms that guide how individual interact with the society. So our topic is mainly focusing on this specifically, from a family and education to economy and government. Every institution play a very important role in shaping the consumer behavior and maintaining order in the society. And also, don't you think whatever we did is all interdependent? No individual or institution functions in isolation. Just now I told you that. Family influence, education influence, employment, it's all, effect on each other, domino effect. Like family influencing education, education influence employment, employment shapes the economic and social status, and this way each elements contribute to the stability and functioning of the society. And also, if I see another significant element is social roles and norms. Like every individual in society performs a multiple roles. We all are student, a teacher, parent, employee, or citizen. So these roles come with the expectations and a responsibility that helps to maintain the harmony and coordination with the social system. And if you want to add further here, if I say social system are dynamic rather than static, and they evolve over time due to factors like technology advancement, globalization, in short, external environment, passive, political, social, economic, technology, culture. This is something our social system keep evolving with the changing of the environment, external environment specifically. And also nowadays the rise of digital technology is going up, social media, that are the main significant influence communication pattern, uh, social media and digital technologies. So consumer, and this is going to impact overall consumer behavior and social interaction. So to sum up, I would like to say changes within the social system can create a challenge and challenges and inequalities, but issue related to social class, access to education, economic disparity, and all that, uh, will continue to shape the experience of individual within the society. So we need to understand social system help us to analyze the challenge and work towards inclusivity and equitability solution. So from an academic perspective, I would like to say this: studying a social system allow us to better understand human behavior, social relationship, and institutional functioning. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And further, the social system really strongly influence. I hope everyone will agree over here. The social influence will strongly influence our attitude, consumer attitude, decision making, lifestyle choices, and the brand preferences. So, so everything is interconnected, just like I told you. Before concluding, I would like to emphasize this: study of social system is not limited to a theory. It is something we experience in daily life through our interaction, through our communities, institutions. So by observing and understanding this pattern, we gain a deeper insight into how society functions and how positively it can change. So, uh, yeah, just wanted to thank everyone for your participations and throughout the session. See, consumer behavior is fascinating field because it combines psychology, sociology, and marketing strategy. And I hope you all will agree that in today's time, discussion helps you to observe everyday consumer behavior with an analytical lens. So yes, I am open to question answers now. So any questions? Any question you might have come up, while listening to a session, you might have something have must have come in your mind when it comes. So I'm happy to answer. Thank you, everyone. So sometimes I have one question. I think sometimes we find out new things that was needed to us and got information is through influencers. Yes, that is something the has become a trend. So sometimes we are not getting from a word of mouth from through the celebrities, but we get a lot of information from the influencers. I agree on that. Any more questions, Pradyuman sir? So we are at the end of the session. I just wanted to know would anyone would like to ask anything? No?
Good afternoon, ma'am. If the discussion's over, then I'd like to conclude the session formally as a moderator of this workshop. Shall I?
Okay, ma'am. I don't think anyone has question. Thanks, Smita ma'am. Yeah, you can go ahead and conclude.
All right, ma'am. As we come to the end of today's insightful workshop on consumer behavior in social systems, culture, groups, and influence, it is my privilege to briefly reflect on the enriching session we have experienced today. Today's discussion helped us understand that consumer decisions are not made in isolation. They are shaped by several social forces such as family influence, peer groups, cultural values, social identity, and increasingly digital community. The session beautifully highlighted how interpersonal relationships, opinion leaders, and social environment influence what people buy and why they make certain choices. And I really appreciate and grateful to the efforts of the esteemed person for delivering such an insightful and knowledgeable session. Thank you so much, ma'am. And thank you to all the dear participants for joining us today and making the sessions interactive. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, everyone, for being the part of this seminar. Yeah, I'll just end the session.